Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Task recurrence in Outlook lets Outlook automatically regenerate the next occurrence of a task for the next recurrence date after it is marked complete in your Tasks folder. To set recurrence for a new task that you are creating in Outlook, click the Recurrence button that appears in the Recurrence button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the Task window to open the Task Recurrence dialog box. In this dialog box, select either the Daily, Weekly, Monthly, or Yearly option button in the Recurrence Pattern section to specify the pattern of recurrence. In the area to the right of those option buttons, you must then specify the specific pattern for the selected type of recurrence. In the Range of Recurrence section, then use the Start drop-down to set the start date of the recurrence pattern. Then select when you want the recurrence pattern to end, if ever, by selecting an option button to the right and specifying any additional settings for the selected option if needed. When finished scheduling the task's recurrence, click the OK button. After completing an instance of a recurring task, you can delete the completed task from your task list. To delete a completed recurring task, select the completed task in the Tasks folder. Then press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the Delete button in the Delete button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, to delete an uncompleted recurring task or all future instances of a recurring task, open the Tasks folder. Then select the occurrence of the recurring task to delete. Then press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard or the Delete button in the Delete button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to open a message box that contains a Delete All and Delete This One option button. To delete only the selected task occurrence, select the Delete This One option. To delete the selected task and all future occurrences, select the Delete All option. Then click the OK button to delete the recurring task or tasks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.